Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special product unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Pitas Wood Therapy. Really good stuff to treat your wooden furniture products. And take a look and see what it looks like and how it works. And you guys will get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and give it a try. So, there we go. Information. Product information. Pitas Wood Therapy. Alright. Starkweather Woods. Definitely the link will be down below. We got some other good stuff. We got some treatment product to treat your furniture with. This is the top of the line right now. This is really good. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Pitas Wood Therapy. And this is, ooh, it smells good. Do not eat it. Do not lick it. Just apply it to the wood. Get the tables. And it does smell good though. I'm gonna have to get a towel or something. And it comes this. Do not apply to electrical components. Do not apply to moving blade. Do not apply to high heat. Okay, we got one of these guys. Plain Magic. I think this is like fixer-upper. That fixes like small little scrapes, I do believe. Give it a try. See what it's all about. But I'm gonna have to go upstairs for a minute and grab some towels. Oh, actually, I do have some towels. Alright. I have to go in my other room for a second though. Grab them. So definitely, YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. That's what that looks like. Open. That was the same thing, just like a travel size. In case your office furniture at work, in your office. So we got that, and we got this, and we got them. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, see, this is my old, like a treasure chest. Really old school furniture. We're gonna use this. Hopefully, it can fix up some of this. We'll see what it does. And then, like I said, I got a few little nooks. I'm gonna use that little travel to give it a try. Oh, it's soft. Go. You can see how it, whoa, look at that. Got the bling to it already. It's like brand new. I can see it shine. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. Not done. This is just like just getting started. Whoa, I like this product, guys. I'm telling you, give it a try yourselves. Oh, there we go, a little sticky. Sticky. And we'll go put here. And this is good product right here for your furniture. There we go. And like I said, it smells good too. So you won't have no bad smell. Look at that shine. Ooh. It's like almost, holy smokes. Definitely check them out. Pitas Wood Therapy. It needed some therapy, this piece. It's been through war. You know what I mean. I'm gonna have to grab that other piece. Hold on one sec. Alright, here's a little dabber stick. That's what I'm gonna call it. But definitely notice the difference. That side's finished. Unfinished. Alright. It's like remember those glue sticks back in the day. Alright, that should be good. I'm out for now. Oops. See where it goes. Yeah, it definitely smells good, so it won't leave no funky after smell. There we go. Cut that in a little bit. Alright. There's that one. And there's that. Oops. And there goes the cap. A little rub, rub, rub. Wax on, wax off. Danielson. I mean, if I give a few more hours on this, it's gonna look brand new. So I'm gonna probably do a follow-up on my Instagram page for this little piece right here. Show you guys how much it looks. A lot better though right now. Look at that shine. It is nice. But yeah, like I said, if I probably did another half hour on it, it'll definitely look brand new almost. And you might want to stack up for yourselves and family members. Stacking stuffers. This would be a great little gift. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend and see ya soon. See ya.